Want to lose weight while still enjoying delicious meals? We've got some tips for you. Imagine a world where weight loss doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. This is the beauty of meal prep. By controlling portions, balancing your meals, and choosing nutritious ingredients like lean proteins, whole grains, and bountiful vegetables, you can master the art of healthy eating. So, are you ready to explore the perfect blend of taste and nutrition? Are you ready to dive into some tasty yet healthy meal prep ideas? Stay tuned. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Let's kickstart it with overnight oats. This recipe is as simple as it is delicious. Start with half a cup of oats, a powerhouse of fiber that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next, add in a tablespoon of chia seeds, a tiny but mighty source of omega-3 fatty acids. Stir in half a cup of Greek yogurt for a protein punch that will fuel your morning. Now for the fun part, the toppings. Choose a variety of fruits for a burst of vitamins and natural sweetness. Berries, bananas, apples, the choice is yours. Mix it all together, cover it, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, the flavors will have melded together into a creamy, dreamy breakfast treat. There you have it, a nutrient-packed breakfast ready for you to grab and go in the morning. For lunch, we present a hearty grilled chicken salad that's both satisfying and nutritious. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. We'll start with a boneless, skinless chicken breast. Marinate it in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs. This not only tenderizes the chicken, but also infuses it with flavor. Grill it to perfection, ensuring it's cooked thoroughly but remains juicy. While our chicken is grilling, let's turn our attention to the salad. We're aiming for a colorful medley of vegetables here. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, vibrant bell peppers, and perhaps a handful of shredded carrot. The more colors, the wider the range of nutrients. Now, for the dressing. Whisk together some olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and honey. This zesty dressing will bring our salad to life without adding unnecessary calories. Once the chicken is done, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. This locks in the juices and ensures tender, succulent bites. Now it's assembly time. Lay a generous bed of vegetables on your plate, top with your grilled chicken slices, and drizzle over the dressing. You might want to add a sprinkle of seeds or nuts for added crunch and nutrition. Voila! A healthy and delicious lunch that will keep you satisfied throughout the afternoon. Dinner time calls for a comforting quinoa stir-fry. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrition. We'll start with the star of our show, quinoa, a wonderful whole grain that's rich in fiber and protein. It's a fantastic choice for those watching their weight, as it helps keep you full and satisfied. Now let's get our vegetables ready. The beauty of a stir-fry is that you can use whatever you have on hand. Today, we're going with a colorful mix of bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. These veggies not only add a vibrant splash of color, but also a host of vitamins and minerals. Next, we're adding some lean protein. We've chosen tofu for our stir-fry today. It's a great source of plant-based protein, and it absorbs the flavors of our stir-fry perfectly. But feel free to use chicken, shrimp, or even chickpeas if you prefer. Once everything is prepped, we'll heat up a pan, add a bit of healthy oil, and start cooking. The trick to a great stir-fry is to keep everything moving so it cooks evenly without losing its crunch. And there you have it, a warm, nutritious dinner that's easy to prepare and delicious to eat. Now that we have our meals planned, let's discuss some meal prep techniques. Batch cooking is a game changer. It's all about dedicating a few hours one day a week to prepare meals for the rest of the week. This way, when life gets busy, you already have healthy, portion-controlled meals ready to go. Next, let's talk about smart storage solutions. Invest in quality airtight containers to keep your food fresh. Dividing your meals into individual portions can also help prevent overeating. And don't forget about your freezer. It's not just for ice cream, you know. Freezing meals can extend their shelf life, and it's like having a homemade ready meal on hand whenever you need it. These techniques can make it easier for you to stick to your weight loss goals. With these meal prep ideas and techniques, you are one step closer to your weight loss goals. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Happy cooking.